Welcome to all in our lecture series of PPCM. In our previous lecture, we studied about the objectives of projects, time management, and all. In today lecture, we cover financial evolution of project and how we evaluate the present value of that project. So financial appraisal means if you have choose any project and you invest some amount in that project, so you want after 2 or 3 years you get sufficient return on that project. Okay, for example, if you take project from government or you want to invest some money in a government project, means you have to buy the project or you have to hire the project. Then at government side you also consider the social benefit cost, means this is socially benefit for you or not. So there are some points in our financial appraisals. So let's see. A project should earn sufficient return on investment, means in a simple word we say that which project we have to choose according to financial evolution. That part we cover in this financial appraisal. So second point is projects sponsored by the government may take into consideration social cost benefits, means if you have to take project from government, then you have to consider social benefit cost also. Third one is enable an organization to evaluate objectively the cost of implementing a project or investment and the return that could be earned from the project. Fourth point, financial appraisal help the organization to choose the most profitable from a pool of numerous projects, means for example, if I have given 3 projects to you, A, B, C. So which project is financially good for you? How you find? Okay, so that is the thing you have to find in this techniques. Second last point, selection of the right project is highly critical for the financial well-being of any organization, means if I select a project which is not fulfill my returns, then it is not good for me. So selection of a good product is the well or highly critical for the financial well-being of any organization. And last is the risk in the project as evidenced by the worst and best value of cost and revenues. Now this financial appraisal or financial cost we have to find with 2 methods, and these 2 methods are non-discounted cash flow techniques or discounted cash flow techniques. So we say non-discounted cash flow technique is the time value of money is not considered, means for example you have purchased one car today and after 2 years the value of that car is same, means there is no time value of money is considered in this technique. So there are 3 methods solving these techniques is first is payback, second is discounted payback, and third one is the accounting rate of return. Okay, second method is discounted cash flow technique, means time value of money is considered. Again we have taken same example, you have to purchase car today and you have to use that car as a rented. Okay, so after 5 years how much money you have to get return from that car. This is the time value money is considered. And these techniques have 3 methods: net present value, internal rate of return, and profitability index or benefit cost ratio. Here discounted word means convert future value to present value, means after 5 years you may get 5,000, means initial investment is your 6,000 and after 5 years you are getting 7,000. So you have to convert that future value in the present value for finding the net present value or selecting the project it is benefit for me or not. So that lecture is over, guys. In our next lecture we have study the discounted cash flow techniques, because in our syllabus this discounted cash flow techniques is covered. So next lecture is on net present value. Thank you.